So some of you might be wondering, how do we get the steam out to campus? We're right in the room where that actually happens. You can see right here we have two headers. One's for what we call low pressure steam, 13.5 pounds of pressure. The other one's a high pressure steam line, 175 pounds of pressure. Temperature wise, you're looking at 460 degrees Fahrenheit for the 175 pound steam, and about 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for the low pressure steam. Why do we send out the two different steam pressures? 13.5 pound steam allows us to run turbines in the plant, and when you run a turbine you have exhaust steam, and that's at 13.5 pounds of steam that comes off the turbine exhaust, and so we want to reuse that steam. So the buildings that are in the immediate vicinity of the plant, we don't need 175 pounds of steam to get that pressure, to get that steam to that building. So we can utilize a 13.5 pound steam and feed the buildings that are nearby. But we need the 175 pound steam to feed the buildings that are further out. Just like a garden hose, when you're out watering the yard, the further away it is, the more pressure you need to get it there. And get it there with the volume that you need as well. So here at the Charter Street plant, this is one of 3 export steam lines that we have, this being the newest one. And as you can see, it drops down and into a tunnel that is walkable. It's about 8 feet in diameter, and it fits these 2 steam lines and it feeds out to campus. What you can see here, wrapped around this insulation is what you call a ball joint. And on this line in particular, there's 2 of them, one up here and one down below. That allows this line to flex. Remember, because when we heat up metal, it's got to grow. So they allow this, they engineer it to be able to move that 6 to 8 inches and flex without any damage to the pipe or the welds, so you don't have a steam leak. And because when you have a tunnel and you have all that straight run, you got to have these built in every so often, an expansion loop, and this is the easiest place to do it. And that's what we're looking at right here, is the ball joints of the export steam line.